Hello, welcome to another iVAC training session. Today we'll look at the bookings list and the basics of the booking form. To see a list of bookings, simply click on the bookings button. By default, you will see today's date, 4th of December, and all current bookings. You can see all bookings by clicking on the all, or bookings for a specific day, being today's date, by clicking on the day button. If you select bookings for a specific day, you will see all the bookings that depart on that day, highlighted in green, and all the bookings that arrive on that day, highlighted in blue. Any back-to-back bookings will have red in the day field. Bookings with insufficient arrival details will be highlighted in yellow, and bookings with insufficient departure details will be highlighted in green. You can see the meaning of the highlights and other useful information just by clicking on the heading where the heading is underlined. All headings that have an underline have useful information. For example, if you click on the arrivals detail, you will see some descriptions of what happens in that field, as well as the significance of the yellow background. To see the next day, simply click on the plus button. If you look a few days ahead to confirm that all the relevant details have been supplied by the booking agent, you can avoid problems associated with missing information and put the onus back on the booking agent to provide sufficient information. There are reports specifically for booking agents that highlight missing information for upcoming bookings. There are many details that will be missing from booking agents' information from time to time, so each booking needs to be reviewed. One of the more critical pieces of information is the arrival details. Once the guest has been greeted on arrival, other information like mobile phone numbers and departure details can be updated. The booking list highlights missing arrival and departure details. To see all the details about a booking, simply double-click on the booking number. On this booking, you can see that there are insufficient arrival and departure details. But reading the notes, you can see that that booking does not require any valet. By default, all bookings require valet and clean services. In this case, simply click off the valet required field and you'll see that the arrival and departure details are now no longer highlighted. To close the booking, simply click the exit button. Again, with this booking, you can see there's a problem with the arrival details. Open the booking. Here you can see the details imported from the booking agent. The flight number may look correct, but it is not on the schedule. You can see all bookings for that particular day simply by clicking on the question mark. Here you can see that arriving is VA1281 at 11:20. The booking agent put 281 at 11:20. It is safe to assume that that is just a typo, and it should in fact be 1281. If we enter 1281, you can see that the flight is no longer highlighted and the correct time is input automatically from the schedule. You can also see the full schedule from Hamilton Island airports just by double clicking on that field. You can see the PDF that appears on the Hamilton Island website and also distributed to valet people and cleaners on a regular basis. Similar options appear on the departure flights. Unfortunately, all booking agents have different systems, and there are some free format fields that need to be reviewed to ensure that all information is recorded successfully. These free format fields appear in the service notes and also in the requested configuration. Here you can see there's some notes that apply to the valet and some that apply to the cleaner. You could put all the information on the valet and cleaner sheets, but it's clearer if only the valet relevant information appears on the valet sheets and the cleaner information on the cleaner sheets. You can simply copy and paste information into the various fields. Here we need to tell the valet that a wheelchair is required, or you can use the copy buttons to copy all the details from the service notes and remove the pieces you don't need. Normally the details will go in the cleaner arrival section so that these details will appear on the departure clean for the previous booking. That way the property will be ready for this booking. Clearly there are many more fields and options on the booking screen. They will be addressed in a future training session. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.